Let's move on to other stories that we're tracking this Monday morning. There's a major controversy that's brewing over the Ayodhya Ram Mandir land deal. You've got the AAP and the Samajwadi Party alleging that a piece of land which was bought for 2 crore rupees from the owner of the property was sold soon after to the Ram Janmabhoomi Trust for 18.5 crore rupees, and this is for the construction of the Ram Mandir. What makes the deal more suspicious is not just the amount, but also the claim that there was only a difference of 10 minutes in signing of both the deals, from the owner to the intermediary and then to the Ram Janmabhoomi. The trust member Anil Mishra and Ayodhya Mayor Rishikesh Upadhyay have been listed as witnesses in both the agreements, in both the contracts. Both AAP MP Sanjay Singh and former UP Minister Pawan Pandey have raised concerns over this 1,208 hectare land deal, questioning who was the beneficiary then of 16 crore rupees. Meanwhile, members of the Temple Trust said that they will look into these allegations.
जमीन की मालियत है 5 करोड़ 80 लाख रुपए लगभग, और ये जमीन 2 करोड़ रुपए में खरीदी गई कुसुम पाठक और हरीश पाठक से। खरीदने वालों का नाम है रवि मोहन तिवारी और सुल्तान अंसारी। ये जमीन खरीदी गई 7:10 पे, ये भी टाइमिंग है, देख लीजिए आप। 7:10 पे ये जमीन खरीदी गई और यही जमीन 5 मिनट के बाद रवि मोहन तिवारी और सुल्तान अंसारी से 18.5 करोड़ रुपए में राम जन्मभूमि ट्रस्ट ने खरीद लिया। 18.5 करोड़ रुपए में 5.5 लाख रुपए प्रति सेकंड। जमीन महंगे होते हुए कभी आपने सुना है? यह एक बहुत बड़ा घोटाला है। यह प्रभु श्री राम के नाम पर चंदा देने वाले करोड़ों लोगों की आस्था पर गहरी चोट है, और प्रधानमंत्री जी को ईडी और सीबीआई से इसकी जांच करा के इन घोटालेबाजों को जेल के शिक्षों के पीछे डालना चाहिए।
मैं ट्रस्ट की मीटिंग की चर्चा कर रहा हूं, इससे अलावा यहाँ कोई अर्थ है ही नहीं विषय मेरे सामने। मंदिर के निर्माण में
एक आरोप लग रहा है, लखनऊ से लेकर यहाँ तक
हमको आरोप लगते ही रहते हैं। मैं 100 साल से आरोप ही देख रहे हैं हम लोग। हम पर महात्मा गांधी की हत्या के आरोप लगे, आरोप से हम चिंता नहीं करते। आप भी चिंता मत करिए, आप खूब लगाइए। यू आर यस, आई एक्सेप्ट, आई रेडी, यू आल्सो, यू डू इट। आप अपना काम करिए, हम अपना काम करेंगे।
ट्रस्ट का कुछ कहना है इस बारे में?
नहीं कहना, अभी स्टडी करेंगे।
So you heard the response there from Ram Janmabhoomi Trust. They've said that they are going to be looking into these allegations. They're open to an investigation. But I want to take this across now to Samarth Srivastava. He's joining us live from Ayodhya with the latest updates. Samarth, good morning. Very serious allegations that are coming to the light by both AAP and the Samajwadi Party. Is there going to be a formal investigation now?
Well, exactly. Aam Aadmi Party and Samajwadi Party have pointed out serious allegations against the trust made by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and after the Supreme Court's rule, after the apex court ruled out the decision to construct Ram Temple. The allegations are somewhere like a land which was purchased, which was supposed to be purchased at which 5 point something crore was purchased at around 2 crore from Kusum Pathak and Harish Pathak by 2 private purchasers, and then interestingly the same land was sold out to the Teerth Kshetra after just 5 minutes at a massive amount of 18.5 crore. Sanjay Singh, Rajya Sabha MP from Aam Aadmi Party, and Pawan Pandey, ex Minister of Uttar Pradesh in Samajwadi Party government, have questioned that how the rate of how the rate grew by 5 lakh per second within 5 minutes. So this is the serious allegation being posted. Not only this, there are allegations in around stamp paper thing, as the stamp paper purchased by the Teerth Kshetra was around 5:11 p.m. while 5:11 p.m. while the first buyer, which was Kusum Pathak, the exact stamp paper was sold out around 5:21 p.m. 5:21 p.m. So how the stamp paper from the first party was sold out previously than the second one? So these are the serious allegations. Sanjay Singh has also claimed that he urges Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi to inquire the entire thing by CBI, while on the other hand, Champat Rai, the General Secretary of Teerth Kshetra, has said that these things, yes.
All right, Samarth, thank you very much for all those details.